Hello, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today class, I discuss about my next topic, that is the protozoa. In previous class, I discussed about the what is microorganisms and their classification. And in the further class, I discuss about their classification in detail. First is the protozoa. Protozoa are the single-celled eukaryotic microorganisms. They are animal-like in that they indigest the particulate food, lack a rigid cell wall, and don't contain the chlorophyll. Some protozoa can swim through water by beating action of short hair-like appendages called cilia or long whip-like appendages called the flagella. Other protozoa, that is amoebias, do not swim but can creep along the surfaces by extending portion of the cell like a pseudopod and then allowing the rest of the cell to follow into this extension. This form of locomotion is called the amoeboid movement. Protozoa causes the animal and human disease such as the coccidiosis in chickens and malaria in humans. Some protozoa are beneficial such as those found in the stomach of cattle, sheep and termites that help the digest food. Next is the fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms which like algae have a rigid cell walls and may be either unicellular or multicellular. Fungi are non-photosynthetic protists growing as a mass of branching, interlacing filaments known as a mycelium. Fungi may be microscopic in size, while some fungus are much larger and such as the mushrooms and bracket fungi, growing on damp logs or soil. Fungi causes the disease of human, animals, plants, including athletes, food and moldy spoilage of peanuts. These all are the disease that causes due to the fungi, that is human, animal and plants including athletes food. Next is the slim mold. There are organisms are characterized by the presence as a stage in the life cycle of an amoeboid multinucleates mass of cytoplasm called a plasmodium. Prokaryotes are the organisms whose cell lack a nucleus and other organelles. Prokaryotes are divided into the two distinct groups. First is the bacteria, second is the archaea. Most prokaryotes are small single-cell organisms that have a relatively simple structure. Prokaryotes are reproducing without fusible of gametes, therefore the horizontal gene transfers also take place. These are the slim molds. Next is the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means there are the lack of a nucleus or other organelles. Means they have no nucleus and other nucleus organelles. Cyanobacteria are aquatic and the photosynthetic, that is live in the water and can manufacture their own food. Because they are bacteria, they are quite small and usually unicellular. Though they often grow in the colonies large enough to see, cyanobacteria exhibit a type of motility called the gliding or creeping. Several species of the cyanobacterial are harvested or cultivated as food sources, animal feeds, fertilizers and health products. In today's class, I discuss about the protozoa and protist. Thank you.